Imagine this. Somewhere out there in the cold, silent void of space, a rogue black hole is moving, alone, invisible, unstoppable. And what if it's heading directly toward us? This isn't a movie. This is a real scenario that top space agencies, including NASA and ESA, have considered. And the more we learn, the more terrifying it gets. Black holes are regions of spacetime so dense that not even light can escape. Formed from the collapse of massive stars, their gravitational pull is so intense that they literally bend the fabric of reality, and yet, we can't see them. Astronomers only detect black holes indirectly, by how they affect nearby stars, light, or gas. But what happens when a black hole travels alone, far from any detectable matter? That's what scientists call a rogue black hole, and it's one of the most terrifying objects in the known universe. In 2022, the Hubble Space Telescope confirmed the first isolated black hole, located 5,000 light-years away in the Carina-Sagittarius arm of the Milky Way. This object is moving at 160,000 kilometers per h and has a mass over 7 times that of our Sun. It was detected thanks to an extremely rare event called gravitational microlensing, where the black hole passed in front of a star and bent its light just enough for Hubble and Gaia to detect. Scientists estimate there could be over 100 million black holes in the Milky Way, and at least tens of thousands are completely unbound, roaming the galaxy freely. The scary part? They could pass through our solar neighborhood and we might never notice until it's far too late. Here's what a near-Earth rogue black hole encounter could look like. It wouldn't crash into Earth. It wouldn't explode. Instead, its gravity would distort our orbit, hurl planets from their paths, and stretch Earth like spaghetti in a process called spaghettification. Even at several astronomical units away, it could wreak havoc on the entire solar system. Orbits destabilized, moons ejected, Earth pulled from the sun's warmth, global extinctions, and worst of all, it would all happen without warning, because black holes don't shine. They don't send radiation signals. They're just silent gravity machines, and if one passed through the outer solar system, we might detect it only after the damage began. While the odds of a direct hit are low, estimated at less than 1 in 100 million per century, what alarms astrophysicists is this: we're not prepared to detect one early enough. Unlike asteroids, comets, or gamma-ray bursts, rogue black holes don't leave a trail. Unless they microlens a star, and we just happen to be watching, they remain ghosts. And yet NASA's Nancy Grace Roman telescope, launching soon, will map more of the galaxy's microlensing events, helping us track more of these dark wanderers. But until then, we're essentially flying blind. Black holes remind us of something profound. The universe is not only beautiful, it is brutal. And even in the silence of the cosmos, there are forces capable of erasing Earth from existence without making a sound. We live on a fragile rock, circling a modest star, in a galaxy full of things we don't yet understand. The danger is real, the silence is deceptive, and the facts sound like science fiction, but aren't. Like, share, and subscribe to FactZilla for more truths that shake your perspective of the universe.